name is Daniel from Rushfaster, and today we're having a look at Bellroy's Toiletry Kit and its older brother, the Toiletry Kit Plus. First, let's start with the Bellroy Toiletry Kit. So the Bellroy Toiletry Kit comes in at 22 by 13 by 7 centimeters. There's no literage call out from Bellroy. It is a little toiletry kit. It can fit just your essentials. If you're going on a bigger trip or carrying more toiletries, then obviously go for the Plus. Okay, let's have a look at the exterior of this toiletry kit. So the exterior is a 50% recycled material made from PET bottles. We have two grab loops here for easy opening of the zip. Okay, so opening this one up, here's what I've got in the pouch. So this is what I've fit into the Bellroy Toiletry Kit. Let's have a look at this unpacked. So we've got two mesh pockets here, toothbrush and toothpaste section there with the magnetic closure. So it's a very simple product. It's basically just what you need for small toiletry carry. Alrighty, now on to the Bellroy Toiletry Kit Plus. You can fit just a bit more in the bigger one. So this one comes in at 250 by 13 by 10 centimeters. Here we have the magnetic closure toothbrush and toothpaste section. We have a stretch mesh zip compartment for smaller items to provide a little bit more organization here. We have the main compartment, more stretch mesh here. We've got a couple of little pockets and a bigger one. And then we have the back compartment and the two stretch mesh pockets here as well. Exterior on this one, slightly different fabric, still recycled, I believe. But the interesting thing about this product, we've got a bit of an angled zip. We've got this sitting like this. So this has got heaps of easy access into this toiletry kit. You can have that sitting on the bathroom basin just like that. So there you have it, guys. This is the Bellroy Toiletry Kit Plus, and this is the Bellroy Toiletry Kit. Links are in the description below. See you in the next one.